Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create such kind of object with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. First I go to this new design. Now I select this create sketch, select this plane. Now I am creating a profile. Now I am selecting this line. Now I draw one more line. Yes. Now I finish this sketch. Now I select this revolve command. This revolve command will ask us what is the profile. So it already select this profile. Now it will ask about the axis. Now I select this axis, and as you can see, it will create such kind of object. Now I am providing here the appearance to this one. As you can see from here, I am selecting this red paint. So see. Now we have created this particular object with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.